Hello people, there is small update which is to do with transform orientation, which the object is called the parent. I find it quite useful because when you have, for example, transform orientation, or I will explain to you now. I want to select couple objects and hide the rest. So it will be easy for me to explain. And also I wanted to use the 3D cursor so you can see Gizmo. When you rotate cable, Gizmo automatically aligns according to rotation. When you move the cable, you can see Gizmo is that way. When you rotate cable, Gizmo automatically changes. Even if you rotate cable like that, Gizmo automatically changes its position. I will change the to parent, but I want to rotate cable. But at the moment nothing changes, but if you switch to local, I think they updated little bit. I like to use the 3D cursor when it comes to orientation, because if you place cursor here, you can easily rotate table. The same with chair. I think I find it useful, this new transform orientation, because in the previous version of Blender this did not exist. They just have added new feature. I find it useful. These furnitures I created inside Blender. There are many useful tools which you can use, and they are great. See,